Hey friends! Welcome back to The Big Sweep, your go-to destination for all things home and lifestyle. I'm Kelly, and today's episode is a special one. We're diving into the secrets of making your home look like $1,000,000 without spending a fortune. So if you're ready to turn your living space into a haven of luxury, you're in the right place. Make sure you stick around until the end, because we've got a bonus tip that's a game changer. Let's kick things off with a fundamental step that often gets overlooked: decluttering and organization. A clutter-free environment automatically exudes an air of sophistication. Take the time to go through each room, clear out unnecessary items, and organize your belongings. This simple step makes your space look more expensive and also enhances functionality and ease of living. Tip number 2 is attention to lighting. It's essential in the world of interior design. Say goodbye to harsh fluorescent lights and embrace softer, warmer options. Consider investing in stylish lamps and pendant lights to create a more welcoming atmosphere. The strategic use of lighting can transform a room, making it feel cozier and, in turn, more luxurious. Now for number 3, let's talk about the power of art. You don't need to be an art collector to add a touch of class to your walls. Affordable prints, framed tastefully, can create a sophisticated gallery wall. Experiment with different sizes, styles, and frames to find a combination that suits your taste and complements your overall decor. Soft furnishings play a crucial role in the overall feel of a room. Tip number 4 is to upgrade your throws, pillows, and curtains to high-quality fabrics like velvet or silk. Even if your furniture is more budget-friendly, these luxurious textiles can instantly elevate the perceived value of your space. Imagine sinking into a plush velvet sofa. Instant opulence. Creating a high-end look is all about balance. Tip number 5 is to mix high-end pieces with more budget-friendly finds. Splurge on a statement piece, like a designer coffee table, and then complement it with affordable accessories. This blend creates a curated, eclectic look that feels both stylish and intentional. Tip number 6 is to add a touch of glamour with metallic accents. Whether it's gold, silver, or brass, these finishes can bring a sense of opulence to any room. Consider incorporating metallic elements through accessories, hardware, or even a feature wall for a subtle yet impactful touch. A few strategically placed metallic accents can transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Tip number 7 is timeless. Nature has a unique way of adding vibrancy and elegance to any space. Fresh flowers and greenery not only look stunning, but also breathe life into your home. Upgrade from plastic or clay pots to more expensive-looking ceramic planters for a touch of class. Place them strategically in areas such as the entryway or the living room to create a welcoming and luxurious atmosphere. It's like bringing a piece of Mother Nature inside. Number 8 is to invest in a few key pieces of statement furniture. These are the items that immediately catch the eye and set the tone for the entire room. Whether it's a bold accent chair, a unique coffee table, or an exquisite headboard, these pieces add a touch of luxury without requiring a complete overhaul of your furnishings. Tip number 9. Mirrors are a timeless trick for creating the illusion of more space and amplifying natural light. Strategically placing mirrors can open up a room, making it feel larger and more grand. Consider oversized mirrors or a gallery wall of smaller mirrors for a chic and sophisticated touch. Mirrors not only serve a practical purpose, but also double as stunning decor elements. Tip number 10. Don't underestimate the power of do-it-yourself projects. Get creative and embark on DIY art and crafts to add a personal touch to your space. Whether it's repurposing old furniture, creating your own artwork, or crafting unique decor items, these projects can become conversation starters and give your home a one-of-a-kind feel. Plus, there's a sense of accomplishment in showcasing your own creations. There you have it, 10 ways to make your home look expensive without breaking the bank. I hope you've enjoyed these tips and that you're already feeling inspired to give your space a luxurious makeover. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, our bonus tip. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Now, for that bonus tip, let's dive right in. Our last tip is all about customization. Nothing says luxury like personalized touches. Consider customizing key elements in your home, such as built-in shelves, cabinetry, or even a unique accent wall. This not only adds a custom feel, but also ensures that your home reflects your individual style. It's the ultimate touch to elevate your space to new heights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips. Click here for some helpful home organizing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.